When you're all done with your sway, you're going to present to a board from NASA, and they're going to make their big decision. Who's going to win?
Cool. So what's up first?
So first, you're going to introduce your team to NASA. This is our position, and introduce everybody's names and all that kind of good stuff. Formal introduction now. All members must contribute to this piece of it, so everybody has to talk. You can't get out of it. And then you also need to rehearse this, because we don't want you just to read off of your sway. We want you to be really personable and know what you're talking about.
The second thing you're going to do is you're going to present your sway. You're going to have this little magic pen, and you can swipe up and down through the sway. Remember, part of your presentation will be your plan. What are you going to do? Are you going to the asteroid belt? Are you going to the moon? Are you going to Mars? What are you going to do? How are you going to do it? That's what's going to be the first part of your presentation. The second part of your presentation is where each individual group member will go through their rocks, which Mrs. T will explain.
Okay, so each individual is going to introduce their rock. And what that means is you're going to take the paragraph that you've written, and then you're going to present it in front of NASA. So do we want you to read it? No. We want you to practice it and be really ready to tell NASA your side of the debate.
So once all group members have presented their rocks and you've made your case to NASA, you're going to have to field some questions. Because remember, everybody in the room thinks you're wrong, and you want to convince them that you're right. So you need to be prepared to answer questions. If you're in the audience, you need to be prepared to ask questions as well. And once the question and answer time is over, there's your presentation.
One more reminder.
Practice your presentation
so you can be savage. No, I'm not. I'm like this and not doing that. Okay. You've got it down. Okay.